sometimes guys we are in a problem that we don't want to make seen any messages in our messenger, but in that case we need to read those messages too, because sometimes it's really important for us and sometimes it's maybe very special for us. In that case, what can I do to read out those messages without making the messages seen? So how you can do this? I'm Sajidz and you guys watching my Sajidz Take. Before that guys, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future video. And if you do so still now, this video I give you a thanks. So before just starting this video, I recommend you guys please watch this video till to the end, because without it you will not understand the video properly. Here the sender just sent me, but I don't want to make it seen, but I need to read those messages importantly. Now in that case, what can I do? You may guys make a suggestion to me that if you don't want to make it seen that time, you just quickly go to these messages and just read these messages and make it again unseen. But in some case, in the Android mobile or in some other websites or in the other browser, you will not make it unseen here properly. You can give me guys another suggestion that if you want to just read out those messages without making it seen, that time just go to here and from here just turn off the Wi-Fi or the data connection of your mobile phone and then just read out these messages. But here this is the problem is that you just turn out the Wi-Fi or the data connection here in your mobile phone, but you just go to here in these messages, but this messages is just going to be ready to download it here in your mobile phone database there. And that time whenever you just again make your Wi-Fi router of your mobile phone, that time it just centered that these messages was sent in the previous time. But here this is the problem. Now here in this video I'm going to give you the real and proper solution for you guys. For that here it is. This is the message. I don't want to send it there, but I need to read it. So what you have to do, you need to just off all the things from here, and from here you need to off your internet connection from here too. And after that you need to on this airplane mode here in your mobile phone. And that time whenever you just on your airplane mode in your mobile phone, that time all the roaming or the connection of your mobile phone just get lost. And that time whenever you just make enable the airplane mode, or all the downloading activities will also get off. That time you are in the safe mode. Now you can go to the messenger and you can read out the messages without making it seen. And here it is. This is the message I want to send it there, and it's just seen it here. And whenever it just on again, it remains unseen there. And in that case, it is the proper way for you guys to make any messages read without making it seen. So that's it this video, and we are in the very ending of this video. And if you guys just understand about it and it works in your messenger, that time I request you please give a thumbs up this video, subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. Comment below on this video. We will guys meet you in the next video. So till to the end, I request you please wait for the next video. Thanks for watching this video till to the end. Goodbye. Have a nice day.